How dogs perceive negative energy. Body language. Dogs are experts at reading human body language. Signs of tension, such as clenched fists, stiff posture, or aggressive movements, can signal to a dog that something is wrong. Tone of voice. Dogs respond to the tone of voice more than the actual words being spoken. A harsh, angry, or high-pitched tone can alarm or confuse a dog. Scent. Dogs have a keen sense of smell and can detect changes in a person's scent caused by stress hormones like adrenaline and cortisol. This can alert them to the trainer's emotional state. Behavioral effects on dogs. Increased anxiety and stress. Dogs exposed to negative energy may show signs of anxiety such as pacing, trembling, excessive panting, or drooling. They may also develop stress-related behaviors like excessive licking, chewing, or digging. Fearful reactions. A fearful dog may cower, hide, or try to escape. They might also show submissive behaviors like lowering their head, tucking their tail, or avoiding eye contact. Aggression. Some dogs might respond to negative energy with aggression. This can manifest as growling, snapping, or biting as a defensive response to perceived threats. Withdrawal. Dogs might become withdrawn and less interactive, showing little interest in play or social interactions. They might become lethargic or depressed. Impact on training. Decreased learning ability. Stress and fear can impair a dog's ability to focus and learn new commands. Negative emotions can cause a dog to shut down or become unresponsive to training efforts. Reinforcement of negative behaviors. Negative energy can inadvertently reinforce undesirable behaviors. For example, if a dog is punished harshly for a mistake, it might become fearful of trying new things, leading to a lack of progress. Erosion of trust and bond. The relationship between a dog and its trainer is crucial for successful training. Negative energy can damage this bond, making the dog less willing to follow commands and cooperate. Strategies for trainers. Self-awareness and management. Trainers should be aware of their emotional state and practice self-regulation techniques such as deep breathing, mindfulness, or taking breaks to ensure they are in a positive frame of mind. Positive reinforcement. Focus on rewarding good behavior with treats, praise, and affection. Positive reinforcement encourages learning and builds a strong, trusting relationship. Consistency and patience. Consistency in commands and patience during training sessions help dogs feel secure and understand what is expected of them. Calm and assertive leadership. Maintaining a calm and assertive demeanor helps convey confidence and security to the dog, making them more likely to follow and trust their trainer. For example, when a trainer rushes for a leash, it can have several negative impacts on a dog, especially one that is anxious or has a history of trauma. Sudden movements can startle the dog, exacerbating their fear and anxiety, and may lead to a defensive or aggressive response. This is particularly true for dogs that have experienced past trauma, such as being attacked by other dogs.
Rushing movements. Startle response. Sudden movements, like rushing for a leash, can trigger a startle response in dogs, leading to increased fear or aggression. This reaction is more pronounced in dogs with a history of trauma. Mark Smith DVM, Preventive Vet. Increased anxiety. Quick or abrupt actions can heighten a dog's anxiety, making them more difficult to train and more likely to react negatively to other stimuli in the environment. Dogs are very sensitive to the energy and movements of their handlers, and rapid actions can communicate urgency or danger. Preventive Vet. Defensive behavior. In some cases, a dog may perceive the rushed movement as a threat, leading to defensive behaviors such as growling, snapping, or biting. This is often a result of the dog feeling cornered or trapped. Mark Smith DVM. Recommendations for trainers. Slow and steady movements. Always approach the dog and handle equipment like leashes in a calm, deliberate manner. Slow and steady movements help keep the dog relaxed and prevent triggering their fight or flight response. American Kennel Club. Building positive associations. Gradually introduce the leash and associate it with positive experiences, such as treats or playtime. This helps the dog form a positive connection with the leash and reduces anxiety over time. American Kennel Club. Creating a calm environment. Maintain a calm demeanor and avoid sudden changes in body language. Dogs pick up on their trainer's energy, so a calm and positive attitude helps the dog feel more secure and less anxious. Preventive Vet. By understanding how a dog's perception and past experiences influence their reactions, trainers can adopt strategies that foster a positive and secure environment. This approach not only aids in the dog's recovery from trauma but also enhances the effectiveness of the training process. By creating a positive and supportive training environment, trainers can help dogs feel secure, confident, and eager to learn, leading to more effective and enjoyable training sessions for both the dog and the trainer. Practical examples. Case Study 1. A dog named Max, previously attacked, exhibited extreme fear around other dogs. His trainer, Sarah, used calm energy and gradual desensitization techniques. She rewarded Max for calm behavior near other dogs and slowly decreased the distance over time. Sarah's calm demeanor and positive reinforcement helped Max regain confidence and reduce his fear responses. Case Study 2. Bella, a dog traumatized by a previous attack, was very anxious around new people. Her trainer, John, maintained a soft voice and slow movements. He used treats to create positive associations with new people, ensuring that Bella felt safe and supported during each interaction. John's consistent, positive energy helped Bella gradually become more comfortable around strangers. By maintaining a positive, calm, and patient demeanor, trainers can significantly impact the recovery and training success of dogs that have been traumatized by past attacks. This approach helps rebuild trust, reduce fear, and encourage positive behavioral changes.